Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. As you know that Shaitan plays its best to deviate Muslims from the right path. Similarly, once Sayyidina Azam radiallahu ta'ala was on his way back to he saw that there was a light, a nur in front of him. There was a cloudy nur before him, and a sound started coming from that cloud. And it says that, "Oh Abdul Qadir, you have reached such a high station. You have got such a high station in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that you don't need to worship anymore." As soon as Sayyidina Azam radiallahu ta'ala heard this voice, a thought came to his mind, and the thought was that Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam has the more closeness, or he is more close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala than anyone else in this world. He was never asked to leave off salah. In fact, he kept offering his salah even in the last time. How would I be allowed to leave salah and leave worship? So immediately he started saying, "La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah." As soon as he said, "La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah," that nuri cloud turned into darkness. And Shaitan appeared and he said, "Oh Abdul Qadir, your knowledge actually saves you from my deception. In fact, I have deceived so many righteous people from the right path by this action, but it is your knowledge that saved you from this deception." So then Abdul Qadir Jilani rahmatullah ta'ala said, "It is not my knowledge that saved me from your deception. It is the fazl of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that saved me from your sadness."